As we all know, credit can be a big factor in buying a home. Let's take a minute, deep dive into the 5 best ways to optimize your credit score. Number 1, pay on time every time. Set up those auto payments, set reminders in your calendar, alarms on your phone, whatever you have to do to make sure that you make that payment every month. And here's a little tidbit of information for you. If you do miss a payment, the sooner you reach out to that creditor, the better off you are on getting that late payment removed or not put on your account at all. You can talk to them about, hey, I've made my payments for 10 years in a row. Something happened, I missed this payment, and they're way more likely to work with you the sooner you call rather than later. Number 2, keep your balances low. We all hear about utilization, and that is true. We want to keep that utilization rate on your credit accounts at 30% or less. So for numbers, if you have a $10,000 credit limit, you want to keep that balance at $3,000 or less, staying below that 30% utilization rate. Number 3, old accounts are great for your credit. Being able to show that long credit history helps. If you have an old account you're thinking about closing, think twice before you close that account. The history associated with that is helping your credit score. Number 4, limit new credit inquiries. As a mortgage company, when we pull your credit, we expect a 3 to 5% decrease in credit scores from that credit inquiry. Now the kicker is if you're going and getting inquiries from all different types of credit institutions, say for credit cards, for auto loans, for a mortgage, if you're running that across the board, that's where you're really getting hit and seeing those scores drop. At the same time, if you're opening multiple different accounts at the same time, those inquiries will definitely add up and affect your credit in a negative way. And lastly, number 5, diversify your credit mix. It's great to have different types of accounts on your credit report. Think credit cards, think an auto loan, other secured loans, installments. The more types of credit you have, the better off your credit score is going to be with that diversification. So wrapping up, hope all of this helps you obtain the best credit score you can for yourself. By all means, reach out. Our contact info in our bio. We can help talk you through your specific scenario. Take a look at your credit report, talk you through your specific credit situation, and see what we can do to help.